Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Montanasmokes, aka the Spice King. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing Wingstop Hot Honey Rub Chicken Sandwich. This is a brand new flavor. It's only going to be around for a limited amount of time. Will this become one of my new favorite chicken sandwiches? Is this a flavor they should keep in the long run? Stick around for the answers to those questions and see if it gets the Montanasmokes approval. All right, let's open this box up and see what's in the sandwich. Oh yeah, got the pickles. You can see that the chicken is very well seasoned. Hot honey rub, looking good. This chicken sandwich looks so good. There's not much I can really say about this. I just want to get to it. Let's do it. Wow, it's pretty good. This is a good bun. Chicken is very well seasoned. You can definitely taste the honey and its sweetness. Not too much of a kick. Not too much of a kick. But it's more so sweet than spicy. Not a bad thing. So it's pretty good. Get one more bite. Good quality chicken from Wingstop. Did not let me down. Wow. This is very good. I can tell they definitely buttered and toasted the bun. And you get that small little kick, that taste of honey. Wow. This is a really good sandwich. Wow. Good job, Wingstop. Good job. Wow. Wow. Guys, don't hate me. Don't hate me. I'm just gonna throw this out there. I'm gonna go as far as to say this is better than Popeye's chicken sandwich. Not even gonna lie. This tastes really good. Is it better than Chick-fil-A though? I don't know. I like Chick-fil-A's spicy chicken sandwich. It's probably one of my favorite chicken sandwiches. But this, Wingstop, you gotta keep this flavor. This is a really good flavor. Okay, let me put this down. It's too good. For my review, flavor-wise, I'm gonna give this a 5. I'm gonna give this a 5. I was close to saying strong 4, but this flavor and the way that the sandwich is crafted, not cooked, crafted, I had to give it a 5. Very impressive, Wingstop. Very impressive. For spiciness, I mean, it's called hot honey rub. I'm gonna give this a 1. Not too spicy. If you're afraid of spicy foods, this is the one for you. Not spicy at all. Will not burn your tongue. You will not have to drink a gallon of water or milk or ice cream. You can enjoy this sandwich. Guys, let me know if you had this sandwich from Wingstop. Definitely let me know your opinion on how this sandwich tastes or if you want to try it. I'd say this gets the Montanasmokes approval. Hands down. With that said, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It greatly helps out the channel. Definitely let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. Anything spicy, just let me know. And always remember, when life is dull, spice it up. Until next time.